Hi everybody and welcome to this course. My name is Leon Chaudhry. I'm an award-winning inventor and entrepreneur from Berlin, Germany. And this course is called Healthy Sleep, Improve Your Sleep and Become More Productive. And that is exactly what this course is gonna be about. So I'm really excited for you to really listen and watch this course because I really put my heart and my brain here on paper, and it took me actually 2.5 months to create this course. So again, I'm really excited that you're here in this class, and I just want to tell you a couple of things that I believe are very interesting. So first of all, the chapter that you're currently in is like the introduction chapter. I'm not going to teach you anything in particular here in this chapter. We will start at the beginning of the next chapter. In this chapter right here, I will give you all the necessary information that you need in order to really understand my teaching, and also, for example, I will show you how you can send me questions so that I can answer them. So again, you can send me a message at any given time. You can just simply go to the Udemy Q&A section here in this course, write down the message, and I'll be answering you in the next 6 to 12 hours. Or you can just send me a message here on Udemy. You can do that as well. Then just simply send me a message there, or you can go on my social media platforms and then there also send me a message. So again, I think you should always be asking questions. I love questions, and I just simply like answering them as well. So if you send me a question, I will be answering that question in detail, and also here in this course you will find everything you need to know. So first of all, please watch the course. Afterwards you can send me whatever question you might like. If there is anything in the course that you think should be better, or perhaps something that you think is missing, send me a message and I'll create some more content for you. So again, I'm really excited to teach here on Udemy, and I hope you're going to have an amazing learning experience here in this course.